Good day. My name is Christian Gar Gigalamgam and I am a college student at Mapua University working toward a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. I am applying for the Civil Engineering internship at Buildcorp Construction Corporation because I want to gain hands-on experience in the field and help with projects that change communities. I have learned a lot about AutoCAD, basic surveying, and project management tools like MS Project and Microsoft Office apps during my time in school. I also know how to make a basic website, which shows that I can adapt and am willing to learn new tools. With these skills and my dedication to accuracy and paying attention to details, I'm excited to help in any engineering task given to me. I was also able to intern and volunteer with Team Josefa Escoda of the finance bodies at Sun Life Philippines, in addition to my studies. In these jobs, I helped plan events, hire new people, and run community outreach programs. I took care of the logistics, registered participants, main materials, and taught basic classes. I learned how to manage my time better, multitask, be flexible, and communicate better through these experiences. I know that all of these skills are important for working on engineering teams and projects. I also always graduated with honors, and I even came in third in a fast math competition. I also learned how to be responsible, work with others, and speak clearly when I was the co-director and lead actor in school plays. These accomplishments show how dedicated, driven, and willing to lead I am. I am very excited about the chance to help Buildcorp Construction Corporation. I think this internship will help me become a better civil engineer while also helping your projects with my skills, enthusiasm, and desire to learn. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. I'm excited about the chance to talk about how I can help your team. My name is Christian Gar Gigalamgam and I want to work for Buildcorp Construction Corporation.